Hello everybody, and welcome. My name is Eric Bird. I'm your host here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today, it's time to bring your big boy pants. It's time to bring your executive suit, ladies. It's time to go down to Joseph A. Banks and get that suit. That's right, we're talking about LLCs. We're talking about starting your own business. And for that matter, you guys, I'm gonna show you what logo is coming up. We're gonna talk about it. The SSN logo, the Stop Struggling Now logo, media logo. I'm gonna show y'all some. Let me know what you think. Tell me down in the description. So please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. Big boy pants. That's right, it's time, ladies and gentlemen. We've been talking about LLCs. We've been talking about improving your credit. So just off the bat, when somebody's trying to start their LLC and they need funding, if you have a 700 credit score and up, you can personally guarantee business loans. That's right, you don't have to go through setting up your LLC with business credit. If you have a 700 and up, you can use your own personal credit score to get you a business funded loan credit. That simple. All right? For everybody else, big boy time to get your LLC. I'm not even going to illustrate it on the computer like normal. What I'm going to do is talk about it this time, because some of you keep watching these videos and sitting there watching this video and sitting there watching other gurus tell you what to do, and you're still not doing anything. Take the first step. So you go down to your Secretary of State online, search and see if your name is in use. You go to IRS.gov to get your EIN number. Those are the first two things you need to do. So you go to the Secretary of State, you pay the fee. Depends on what state you're in. But like I said, form your holding company. If you can't get two companies right now, then you're gonna have to do one. But either way, eventually you're gonna have to have a parent company, or should I say, should have a parent company. Then you go down and you start your business credit. All right, it's that simple. You don't have to get all convoluted. You don't have to be scared. It only takes a little bit of money. Some states $50, some states $100. In Florida, $125. In Cali, it's about $125, $150. But the yearly fees, it matters. California, $800, for instance. Keep that in mind. Other states, $50. Other states, $100. Other states, $150. So it does matter where you do an LLC or incorporate, or even call yourself an S-Corp if you want to for tax purposes. But big boy time means now's the time to get busy with it. Quit playing around. It's that simple. If you have any questions, hit me up. You know the number, Eric at StopStrugglingNow.com. I always answer. Some of you can find my phone number occasionally and call me up directly. It's pretty simple. Now, after you do that, if you have any assets, that means you're gonna have to write it into your articles and say that you're putting in the assets. Okay, the assets could be anything. If you have a lawn mowing business, then that means all your tools, all your lawn mowing, landscaping, all your equipment and everything is an asset. That is what you're putting in. It has a value. You make sure you have stock. Simple. Money that you're going down to the bank after you file your LLC and you have an EIN number, you're going to go open up a bank account under the company name. Not a DBA, a company name, LLC name. You're legitimate. You're saying, I don't have an address, Eric. I have to work out of my house. No, you don't. Virtual office, the link will be down below. It's $99 a month. That'll give you an actual phone number, a person to answer the phone. It'll give you a fax number. It'll set you up at a business address and make it look like you are a full-fledged business. And if you need funding, that's the best way to do it. And at $99 a month, that's cheap. Okay, I did a video about this, 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, for the virtual office. It's that simple. Be a business, be legit. There's no reason to hide. You get to write off a lot of things. And one last piece of advice. Go down and see a CPA. Talk to an accounting expert. You might want to distribute yourself dividends. That way, get a higher tax write-off. Dividends aren't taxed at the same rate as a 1099. Just saying. Big boy time. This is Stop Struggling Now. This is how you reduce your taxes. You make money. You have assets in your corporation. You can buy other corporations known as subsidiaries. So, however you want to do it. It's up to you. But it's big boy time. Big lady time. Executives, all of you. So look, you don't have to wear any fancy suits, even though you should have one, just in case that big time business meeting comes along. You got to have that business attire. So think about it. This is how you can come up, be productive, make money, not be dependent on anyone else. Make your own money, be your own man, be your own lady, be your own boss. This is what everybody wants to do. They don't want to work for somebody else, listening and taking orders, not getting paid what you're worth. This is the way to do it. Don't come whining to me next year after the stock market, everything goes crash, and you have no way to do anything after they done shrunk people's credit limits, after they're putting you into certain categories for credit because of your credit scores. We've been going over all this for the last year. Now's the time to produce. You saw my video a week or two back. When the yield curve is inverted, that's a sign of recession to come. Don't let the TV guys fool you. It's coming. All those who want to buy real estate, like I said before, you'll be able to pick up whatever you want, cheap. Everything's going to be for sale. So you got to be ready, got to be prepared. Now's the time. There is a sense of urgency. And I urge every one of you to get started. Slowly but surely if necessary, but at least get started with something. It only takes 6 months to build your business score up so you can get business funding for whatever project you want. But keep in mind, when you get this money for your credit, when you get this money for your business funding, you're gonna invest in something that creates revenue for you. Revenue streams is what you're gonna be using that money for. You're not going out here to go buy a car, unless, of course, you're gonna turn that car into money making for you. You don't go out here and just spend it on nightclub, going out, beer, wine, alcohol, food. There's only a certain amount of that you can write off. Don't be foolish. It's all about business. And when you have your own business under your EIN and it's a separate than your personal, now you are creating wealth for you and your family and for future generations potentially. Big boy time, big lady time. Come on, executives, let's get down. I'm here with you. Hit me up if you need me. You got the email, eric@stopstrugglingnow.com. Don't be shy. So, that's the end of this one. So please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And you know I always end this with this heart out here. All you got to do is look at the financials. Don't listen to the rhetoric. Don't hear its all-time record highs at the stock market. Look at farmers getting bailed out. Look at steel factories closing, coal mines closing down, retail stores, a record, shutting down in the last 2 years. And they're going to continue. The only people making money are retail stores that are already established, who are already using online marketing. So you're going to have to up your game. Learn how to do online marketing. Get with it. Open up an account. Even though you don't know anything about it, get your Instagram, get your LinkedIn, get it all done. So keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.